Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best pellet smokers that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Z-Grill's Pellet Grill Smoker. You don't have to spend a heap of money in order to get a decent pellet smoker that can cook some really great food. And, if you're on a budget, don't go past Z-Grills. We have used numerous Z-Grill's smokers over the years and are consistently impressed with their performance. The build quality might not be quite as good as a Traeger, Recteq, or Grilla grills. But, for the price, you're getting unbeatable value for money. And, this model, the Flagship 700D3, gives you all the basics you need to smoke, bake, roast, and grill over indirect heat for a red-hot price. Actually click the link and check this thing out. With almost 700 square inches of cooking space controlled by a precise PID temperature controller with dual-wall insulation, the heat inside this thing holds really steady, even in cold conditions like where we live. You've got a 20-pound hopper with an easy empty and clean out door, 2 meat probes included that plug directly into the control panel, and the storage cabinet where we hide extra pellets and huge tongs away. You don't have any of the fancier features, and there's no Wi-Fi yet, although Z-Grills have just added it to the 700D4E, which has otherwise identical specs. But, for a solidly performing pellet grill at a really great price, the Flagship is the way to go. Moving on at number 4, we have the Traeger Grill's Pro 780 Electric Wood, Pellet Grill and Smoker. The Pro Series 780 stands as one of Traeger's oldest and most popular models. But, due to its universal appeal to you, me, and everyone else, they've continually upgraded its technology to stay current. In a nutshell, to describe this highly rated smoker, I'd say it's straightforward, budget-friendly, and equipped with all the essential features to simplify smoking and grilling. The enhanced D2 drivetrain makes it quick to start and heat up. The temperature control isn't as tight as the newer and more expensive Traegers. But, it's still perfectly good to smoke and grill great food. Additionally, this latest version boasts Traeger's Wi-Fi control panel, letting you to connect to your home's Wi-Fi system for wireless control. You can set, monitor, and adjust the temperature from anywhere with an internet connection, and the app is one of the very best to use. Like most pellet smokers, you don't have open flame grilling. But, its maximum temperature of 500 degrees Fahrenheit is hot enough to do a steak and get good grill marks. Because the Pro 780's cheaper price has to be justified somewhere, there's no insulation, downdraft exhaust, or pellet level sensor. Nevertheless, it offers reliable Traeger quality, complete with a single meat probe and more than enough cooking and hopper capacity for most. The Pro Series 780's consistent bestseller status and its continual popularity among real users speak volumes about its enduring appeal. If top quality, works well, and doesn't break the bank is on your list, you can't go wrong with this one. At number 3, we have the Recteq Flagship 1100 Wood Pellet Smoker. This one could take the title of a lot of things: best value, best runner-up, or even best overall. Regardless, the Recteq Flagship RT 1100 deserves a place up there in our roundup of the best pellet smokers. It's great quality, works flawlessly, has lots of useful features, produces plenty of smoke, and has double the warranty Traeger does, all for a really great price. If you're not familiar with the Recteq brand, they pride themselves on selling very high-quality pellet smokers with more stainless steel components than any other manufacturer in this class, with the highest-rated smartphone app for hands-off control. And, the Flagship is Recteq's most popular mid-sized model. With a really wide temperature range and larger than most, 1,109 square inches of cooking space split over 2 racks and an enormous for its size, 40-pound pellet hopper, there's not a lot you can't cook in here. The PID-based temperature controller keeps a very tight leash on the heat. Like we're talking around that 5 degrees Fahrenheit from your set target. And, while there's no fancy name for it, the Flagship produces really good quality smoke, and a lot of it for what's generally a stronger hardwood flavor, depending on what type of pellets you use. At number 2, we have the Z-Grill's 7052B Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker. If you're not looking to splurge on the all-new Traeger Ironwood, or if budget constraints are a concern, the Z-Grill's multitasker is a comparable alternative that comes close in performance while being considerably more affordable. With a choice of 2 sizes and a generously large pellet hopper, the multitasker is actually slightly larger than the Traeger. The upgraded PID temperature controller and quality, full-body insulation give very steady heat inside. And, there's also Super Smoke mode if you like a stronger flavor. In terms of the smoke quality and flavor of the food it produces, the multitasker is top-notch. There's no smoke leakage and the food comes out moist, tender, and with a nice thick smoke ring to boot. With Wi-Fi connectivity, an easy-to-use control panel, and 2 meat probes included, you're set up for seamless operation from the get-go. We don't like the Z-Grill's app as much as some others. But, it's good enough to get the job done, connectivity has been fine, and it's got all the basics that you need. And finally at number 1, we have the Traeger all-new Ironwood. Traeger continues to push the boundaries of innovation with the all-new Ironwood series as our latest favorite in the realm of pellet smoking. Packed with an array of features, this smoker offers the simplest way to grill, smoke, bake, and roast really great food all year round. Thanks to Traeger's new controller featuring smart combustion technology, the EvenFlow heat shield, and the Ironwood's integrated full-body insulation, the temperature consistently stays within a few degrees Fahrenheit of your desired setting throughout your cook. And, it's the same from one end of the grill to the other as well. There's no major hot spots here. The Ironwood is remarkably uniform across the entire grill, even in the larger XL model. The smoke produced by this smoker is top-notch, thanks to the combination of Traeger's smart combustion technology and the established downdraft exhaust system, resulting in a clean, clear, and healthy smoking experience. For those wanting a more intense smoke flavor, there's Super Smoke mode, that burns pellets at a lower temperature so that they put out more of the good stuff. Note that Super Smoke mode is only effective up to 225 degrees Fahrenheit. So, while it's great for low and slow, you can't get that bonus smokiness at higher or grilling level temperatures.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.